But, I mean, for this evening, let's talk about the Afro-Brazil Ghana Festival 2025. It's happening in December, and there was a launch. And so my colleague Shola has all the details for us here on Journey's Prime.
The first Afro-Brazil Ghana Festival 2025 was officially launched at Tang Palace, drawing many enthusiasts of Ghanaian and Brazilian culture, music and art to preview the main event lineup.
Today is not just the beginning of a festival, it is the continuation of a journey, a dream and a bridge between two nations that share more than history, but also heart and spirit.
As we look ahead to December, let us commit to making this festival not just a celebration, but a movement, one that strengthens cultural ties, amplifies our shared identity, and positions Ghana as the heartbeat of Pan-African collaboration.
At the launch, Brazil's ambassador to Ghana, Mariana Gonçalves Madeira, shared that the Afro-Brazil Ghana Festival was born from discussions with organizers of the Black Star Experience on strengthening ties between Ghana and Brazil. She expressed hope that the festival will become an annual event and affirmed Brazil's commitment to supporting its growth and long-term success.
Well, this all was brought about at PanaFest. We participated with the show here in Accra, and with the organizers, my deputy was talking to people from Black Star Experience, and I said, oh, wouldn't it be good to have an Afro-Brazil festival? So it's happening. I hope so. Yes, if it's, if we can, we will do all the best to support the event in the year to come.
Bigtwins, African music and dance ensemble partners of the event, thanked the ambassador and her team for their collaboration and announced that the festival will conclude in Brazil during the February 2026 Carnival.
The 12th December is going to be a fashion, food, Ghana food, Brazilian food, and our clothing, catwalk is going to be at Gold Coast Bar on 12th December, and 13th is music. That's the closing ceremony. And the February 2026 is going to be in Brazil for the Carnival.
Episode set to perform at the main event shared his excitement about the project and hinted at possible future collaborations with Brazilian artists.
I happen to be the artist who was on that trip 2023 to Brazil. It's actually an experience for me when I was there, and definitely I also have to, put up my best. And when it comes to performance, that's my strong field. I think I have to just start a conversation earlier so that we can all get a record done before the event. It would be nice to have two merge African Ghanaian music with their sound.
And grill in Accra. All lovers of Ghanaian and Brazilian culture, music and arts are encouraged to attend.
So come December 13th to the 14th here, we're expecting everybody at the Gold Coast Lounge, where we'll be having this beautiful event. You'll be attending. Then hopefully in February, we'll go to Brazil.